Prime Minister Mark Carney defended his choice of Public Safety Minister Friday.
Minister Anandasangaree has the highest standards of integrity. He's absolutely meticulous.
His comments come after Global News reported Anandasangaree asked public safety officials to implement a conflict of interest screen for any national security issues related to the Tamil community, which means he is not allowed to discuss or decide anything on that file.
We have a rigorous vetting process, and he's taken the right decision in his judgment and in my judgment to make these arrangements.
Anandasangaree said the screen was implemented in an abundance of caution and to ensure that there is no perception of any conflict. Two sources told Global News that some senior Liberal staff were concerned about a perceived conflict of interest should the minister's past actions and statements come to light. Anandasangaree came to Canada from Sri Lanka in 1983. The same year, civil war erupted in that country between government forces and militant separatist rebels known as the Tamil Tigers, designated by Canada as a terrorist group in 2006. After the war ended, Anandasangaree, a lawyer, helped hundreds of Sri Lankan migrants who had paid human smugglers to ferry them on ships to Canada's west coast by preparing an intervention if Canada prevented one of the ships from arriving. The Associated Press quoted Anandasangaree as saying the migrants would have legitimate refugee claims even if some were members of the Tamil Tigers. National security sources first began raising concerns to Global News that the minister's past comments were at odds with agencies he now supervises.
We have a minister now whose response to being confronted with concerning relations with groups that are affiliated with a listed terrorist organization is to say, I'm going to step back and recuse myself. I don't think that's going to fly with our security partners around the world.
Anandasangaree argues his past shouldn't preclude him from now being the point man on tightening border security.
I continuously work with many agencies that provide frontline services to refugees. So I do believe I have the credibility to talk about issues at our border.
Former senior CSIS official Dan Stanton says the Tamil Tigers are now defunct and the ethics screen is sufficient.
I think he's doing the due diligence.
The minister did not say when the screen came into place or if it will also apply to larger issues around Sri Lanka, a continuing national security concern.